This AI could replace your assistant. Right now, somewhere in the world, people are already using AI employees to do work while they sleep. Their emails are being organized, their meetings are being scheduled, their research is being completed, and their businesses keep moving forward, all without hiring another employee. The question isn't whether AI is coming. The question is whether you'll learn to use it or spend the next few years competing against people who do. Most people still think AI is just a chatbot, something you ask questions, something that gives answers. But that's not where this technology is heading. We're moving into a world where AI doesn't just answer questions, it performs work. Companies like OpenAI are pushing this technology forward faster than ever, and OpenAI agents are one of the clearest examples of where AI is heading. Think about what an assistant actually does every day: checking emails, scheduling meetings, following up with people, doing research, organizing information, managing tasks. Important work, but work that often doesn't require human creativity. And that's exactly why AI agents are becoming so powerful. Let's start with email. Imagine waking up tomorrow to 50 unread messages. A human assistant might spend hours sorting through them, prioritizing conversations, drafting replies, following up with people. An OpenAI agent can help automate much of that process, reading messages, creating summaries, drafting responses, and identifying what actually needs your attention. Instead of managing your inbox, you focus on decisions. Now think about scheduling. 1 meeting is easy, 10 meetings is chaos. Checking calendars, finding available times, sending confirmations, sending reminders, rescheduling appointments. Millions of hours disappear every year because of tasks like these. OpenAI agents can help automate much of that work, giving people valuable time back. And then there's research. This is where things start getting really interesting. Imagine spending 3 hours researching a new market, a business opportunity, or a new industry. A human assistant might spend hours gathering information from dozens of sources. An OpenAI agent can help collect information, identify key insights, and organize findings dramatically faster. Instead of spending hours searching, you spend minutes making decisions. And in business, faster decisions often create better opportunities. But here's the part most people haven't realized yet. For most of history, if you wanted more output, you needed more people, more employees, more salaries, more management, more complexity. But AI agents may be the first technology that breaks that rule. For the first time in history, a single person can scale their productivity without scaling their headcount. A decade ago, that would have sounded impossible. Today, it's becoming reality. That's a massive shift, and it's already happening. Some people are still debating whether AI matters, others are already using it every day. That's how technological shifts work. The internet rewarded people who learned it early. Smartphones rewarded people who adapted early, and AI may be the next shift. The people who learn it early gain an advantage. The people who ignore it often spend years catching up. And let's talk about careers. The biggest risk isn't that AI replaces you. The biggest risk is being outperformed by someone who knows how to use it. 2 people can have the same education, the same experience, the same opportunities. But if one person learns how to use AI agents and the other doesn't, their productivity may look completely different within a few years. That's why learning AI isn't just a technology decision. It's a career decision. Will AI replace every assistant? No, at least not anytime soon. Human judgment still matters. Human relationships still matter. Human creativity still matters. But many repetitive tasks are already being automated, and that trend is only accelerating. We're moving from a world where people use software to a world where software works for people. And that may become one of the biggest shifts of the next decade. The future of work may not be humans versus AI. It may be humans with AI versus humans without it, and the people who learn this early may gain one of the biggest advantages of their careers. The people who learn AI first won't just save time, they may gain one of the biggest competitive advantages of the next decade, and this is only the beginning. If you want to learn more about AI agents, automation, productivity, and the future of work, subscribe to Oridon.